Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we are going to focus on the differences between the German in Germany and the German in Austria. On this channel, we have already covered the differences concerning adjectives, fruits, and verbs. In this episode, we focus on 7 jobs that illustrate 7 differences between Germany and Austria. The learning goal of this video is to understand 7 words for jobs that are different in Germany and in Austria. In general, we can say that the words used in Germany are also used in Austria, but the special terms used in Austrian German are not so common in Germany. Let's start with the word taxi driver. In Germany, most people will say Taxifahrer, which is also common in Austria, but Austrians often use the term Taxler. Another difference can be found for the job butcher. In German, it is Metzger, which is also often used in Austria. However, in Austrian German, you will also come across the word Fleischhacker or Fleischhauer. The next job we focus on is salesman. In Germany, most people will say Händler. In Austria, you may hear the word Tandler, especially for tires, Reifentandler. The English job coach driver may be translated as Kutscher in German. Austrians also say Fiaker, especially in Vienna. Another job we are talking about today is police officer. In Germany and in Austria, Polizist is the standard translation. In Austria, you will also find the word Kieberer, but this term is very informal. Head physician can be translated as Chefarzt in German and in Austrian German. Additionally, Primar is common in Austria too. Now let's take a look at the job forwarding agent. Many Germans and Austrians say Spediteur. In Austria, you may come across the term Frechter as well. I hope this video helped you to improve your understanding of the German used in Austria and in Germany. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial.